in today's video I wanted to share with you a tofu scramble recipe, and this recipe is simple, delicious, and such a great source of plant-based protein. I love having it mainly for brunch, but sometimes I also enjoy it as a breakfast or a side dish during lunch or dinner, so it is very versatile and I really hope that you give it a try. And now, without further ado, let's get into the recipe. The main ingredient for this recipe is 5.5 ounces or 440 grams of tofu. Start by removing as much of the liquid from the tofu as possible. I like to first pour the liquid into the sink, and then either using a clean towel or paper towel, I press down on the tofu to remove as much liquid that is left on it. And don't worry if during this process the tofu doesn't stay in perfect form, as we will be crumbling it anyways. It is important to remove as much liquid from the tofu as possible, as that way it can absorb better the flavors that you add into it. Next, chop up any of the vegetables that you would like to add into your tofu scramble. I like adding 1 diced onion, 1 diced tomato, 4 to 5 mushrooms that I've sliced, and 1 to 2 handfuls of spinach. The spices we will be using are nutritional yeast, pink Himalayan salt, cumin, garlic powder, pepper, and black salt. Take your pan and add in a splash of water and saute the onion for 5 minutes or so. Then add in the mushrooms for an additional 5 minutes or so, and then add the tomatoes for 1 to 2 minutes. Then go ahead and take your tofu block and start crumbling it with your hands into small and medium pieces. Then add on top a thick layer of nutritional yeast to cover up all of the tofu and veggies. I add about half a cup and mix it up. Then add in about 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, cumin, garlic powder, and pepper, and 1 tablespoon of the most important spice, which is black salt, as this gives it the egg-like flavor. And as always, in the description below, I will be linking the full recipe if you would like to see it written out. Once you have mixed in all of the flavors, go ahead and add in the spinach to the pan, cover it up, let the spinach wilt, and then it is ready to enjoy. I love having this for a brunch or lunch with some salad on the side, toast, and avocado. It tastes absolutely delicious, and I really hope you give this a try and enjoy. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it, as it really helps me out and makes my day. Also, make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't already to join the Living Life Simply community and never miss another video. Also, feel free to share this video with whoever you think might enjoy it. And let me know in the comments below what veggies you like to add to your tofu scramble. And I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye!